down to the satisfactory level, and thereby enabling the productive growing of economic crops later on. Second, plants. Emphasis was placed on research activities related to plant species able to grow favorably in the peat swamp areas and classified as follows. Rice. The center engaged in research activities involving over 100 rice varieties in order to determine those that are resistant to acidic soil conditions. As a result, 10 rice varieties were selected for further distribution to the local farmers. Para-rubber. The center carried out research to seek the most suitable and productive para-rubber varieties for further distribution and to effect transfer of the knowledge to the area's farmers. Particularly, intercropping on the para-rubber plantation using such plants as salaka and vanilla is studied in order to increase productivity matching with the area's potential. Vegetables. The center experimented with the planting of 25 vegetable species to determine suitable planting methods. It was found that the most effective method for growing chemical-free vegetables was the integration of control using natural means. For example, alternating vegetables of different varieties, along with the use of bacterial substances and other natural extracts. Fruit and flower plants. The center carried out experimentation on the planting of local plant species best compatible with each particular soil condition for further distribution to the farmers. Other economic plants. The center also experimented with other economic plants, such as oil palm, mushroom, and mulberry, to serve as prototypes for further distribution. These are plants compatible with the farming conditions and the needs for each area. Third, livestock. The Pikuntong Royal Development Study Center sought to promote the rearing of various types of livestock, namely dairy cattle, goats, sheep, and poultry. The activities can be classified into two types as follows. First, demonstration work, consisting of such aspects as livestock breeding development, management of agricultural plots for livestock feed, livestock sanitation, and the setting up of model farms. And second, training work, by extending the successful results of the demonstration projects to support farmers living in the surrounding areas and the center branches, along with promoting the setting up of livestock cooperatives so as to contribute to the betterment of community activity standards. Fourth, fishery. As a result of the center's research activities studying the application of lime dust to solve acidity problems for soil and water, the breeding of several fish breeds was promoted. These breeds include Gunther's walking catfish, Nile tilapia, and gourami, which could be raised in earth ponds, gullies, and floating baskets. Fifth, forestry. In order to safeguard the ecological system of the plant society in the peat swamp areas, the center conducted experiments on selecting plant species suitable for rehabilitating the plant society. These plant species, including mahang, wanam, holan, wahin, and other varieties, were brought together for collection at the Sidentorn Swamp Forest Research and Nature Study Center. Moreover, the center organized training courses regarding the conservation of forest and wildlife resources, as well as wildfire control measures. For more than 20 years, the Pikuntong Royal Development Study Center has carried out various study, experimentation, and research activities for development purposes in several areas. The success gained from these activities subsequently was applied to provide prototypes for supporting the people living in various problem areas. In Naratiwat and in nearby provinces across southern Thailand. The areas designated for further application purposes are classified into two parts as follows. The first part is comprised of the surrounding villages. The 11 surrounding villages cover a total area of 23,068 rai, or 3,690.88 hectares, located in Galuwonua sub-district of Murang district in Narathiwat province. For the people living in these surrounding villages, the center promotes agricultural as well as occupational development activities, enabling them to become self-reliant by organizing training programs aimed at providing proper alternatives for the people in each particular village and according to the different geographical features of each region.
แต่ก่อนเป็นคือทำนาแต่เดี๋ยวนี้เปลี่ยนมาทำสวนเพราะว่าทำนาไม่ค่อยจะได้ผลเลยเปลี่ยนมาทำสวนพวกเราก็รวมกลุ่มกันมาจัดสารคือจะได้ช่วยครอบครัวในทางด้านนี้แล้วพอทีหลังก็ของศูนย์วิกุลทองเขาเข้ามาช่วยเลยช่วยกันทำการตลาดก็คือจะส่งไปขายที่กลุ่มคือเป็นกลุ่มใหญ่อะหรือว่าชาวบ้านหรือใครมาสั่งซื้อสั่งอะไรก็เราก็ทำแล้วก็ขายไปจะได้ส่งเสริมงานที่ว่าชาวบ้านว่างๆอยู่คือแต่ก่อนนั้นก็จะกรีดยางหรือทำอะไรแบบนี้เดี๋ยวนี้ก็รายได้ก็ดีขึ้นมากว่าก่อน
The second part is comprised of center branches. Apart from being demonstrated in the center area and disseminated among the surrounding villages, the results of the study, research, and experimental activities were further extended to other areas close to the center in an effort to expand the scope of success. These areas are known as the center branches, which include the rubber plantation project at Thaksin Palace, located within the premises of Thaksin Palace at Ban Khao Tan Yong, with a total area of 15.8 rai, or 2.528 hectares, designated as demonstration plots for premium rubber stocks and also for intercrops in the para rubber plantation. The Pinamudor Village Development Project, located at Ban Pinamudor, Joairong District, Narathiwat Province, with a total area of 135 rai, or 21.6 hectares, designated as demonstration plots for the water utilization management system, soil management, and plant management. The Muno Livestock and Agricultural Village Project, located at Ban Koksai, Musi, in Kosit Subdistrict of Dakpai District in Narathiwat Province, with a total area of 1,500 rai, or 240 hectares, designated as residential areas and areas for making a living, and presently being occupied by 37 households. The soil in this area, which had been highly acidic earlier, later was developed and improved by the center to have a better productive quality suitable for crop cultivation. The center also promotes the growing of flower plants, animal husbandry, fish farming, as well as handicraft production. Ban Kok It Kok Nai and Ban Yuyo Area Development Project, located at Bang Kun Thong Subdistrict in Dakpai District of Narathiwat Province, with a total area of 30,065 rai, or 4,810.40 hectares, designated for soil and water management purposes. This area of acidic soil later was developed in accordance with His Majesty's new theory by digging trenches for growing field crops and fruit trees and for improving soil quality for rice plantations.
แต่ก่อนนู้นพื้นที่ตรงนี้ดินเปรี้ยวมากหรือจนว่าทางศูนย์ศึกษาพัฒนาพิกุลทองได้เอาหินฟุ้นนี่มาลงให้แล้วก็ผมก็โรยหินฟุ้นเพื่อปรับปรุงดิน จากดินเปรี้ยวมาที่ได้ผมทำนาข้าวขึ้นขนาดนี้นี่นับว่าดีมาก แล้วก็สภาพแต่ก่อนเนี่ยมันคล้ายๆลูกอะไรก็ไม่ขึ้นเลย เพราะว่ามาตอนนี้นี่ทำนาก็ขึ้นลูกต้นไม้ก็ขึ้นผมได้รายได้นี่รู้สึกว่าได้แล้วเราได้ทำตามโครงการพระดำริผมในโครงการนี้มาเนี่ยผมได้ทำแบบว่าสนองนโยบายของในหลวงนี่ผมทำอย่างเต็มที่โครงการของในหลวงนี่ผมว่าถ้าคือตัวคนอื่นผมไม่รู้แต่ในใจผมนี่ผมนึกว่าหาที่เปรียบไม่ได้แล้วในโครงการพระดำริที่ใดสำหรับคนที่ทำนี่ดีมากเป็นว่ารายได้ก็ถ้าคนที่ทำนาทำย่อมมันนี่ไม่อดตายแล้ว
The lifelong dedication of His Majesty the King towards solving the problems affecting the lives of people in southern Thailand, with the Pikun Thong Royal Development Study Center established as a place for study and research activities, represents His Majesty's highly remarkable wisdom in rural development philosophy. His Majesty the King graciously has shown us that even though the spirit of rural development exists mainly in the dispelling of poverty for the people's better and happier livelihood, His Majesty's great wisdom in applying tricking the soil methods has represented further his profoundly exceptional insight regarding the country's overall development.